Hi, I'm Nirmala A.P from Mysuru. I have joined the FRM courses in January and I have completed online classes and I have finished my 15 days clinical attachments at Kamini Rao Hospital in Bangalore. And during this period, the various cases about IVF, infertility, with the Dr. Shantala madam, we used to discuss daily. And along with the Anu madam, we used to have all clinical case presentations. During OPD hours, we used to see variety of cases, starting from simple case to complicated case to repeated failures. They were coming from all across the world. Many cases seen the repeated failures, like 3-4 IVF failure cases were coming and they used to have a success here. Daily, we used to attend all the OT case in the morning. We used to assist and observe and assist home pickup, embryo transfer, and also along with that, we have seen hysterolaparoscopic surgeries, that is infertility related surgery also. One was what I have seen 4 to 5 IVF failure at US. Then she came to Dr. Kamini Rao madam for the second opinion here. And here she was counseled and treatment was started here. The experience is really excellent. Especially the case discussion, case evaluation is excellent in this center. And for IVF with adenomyosis, fibroid, recurrent implantation failures. So there are many more cases. So now I have a confidence of in doing home pickup, embryo transfer and managing the infertility patients when I started my own. Thank you.